Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about pressure fluid. Before that, introduce myself. My name is Cahyani Piska Marlianti. I'm from class 23B with study number 2313022026. Here I will discuss fluid statistics regarding fluid pressure. Before we get into fluid pressure, what is a fluid? Static fluids are a branch of physics concerned with pressure, water balance, and other fluids. Fluids, when in a state of facing problems, are far from simple to solve than when with dynamic fluids. The branch of science discuss the characteristic of fluid when at rest and discuss the pressure on fluid. Fluid is a substance that can flow. This term includes several substances as liquid and gas because both have the ability to flow. In contrast, the solids, the easiest and most common example, are water, oil, and nitrogen. Its nature flows from one place to another, making its categories as static and dynamic fluid. Fluid pressure, absolute pressure, and pressure absolute. Pressure and pressure are quantity that indicate how much force is exerted on an area, so that the greater the force that exerts, making the pressure obtained is also greater. Vice versa, if the area given is getting bigger, the pressure is smaller. Pressure is defined as force per unit area, where the direction of force is perpendicular to the surface area. Mathematically, pressure is expressed by the equation P equals F divided A, where P equals pressure, F equals force, and A equals surface area. The unit of force, F, is Newton. The unit of area is the square meter. Since pressure is force per unit area, the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Another name for Newton per meter square is Pascal. Pascal was asked a unit of pressure in honor of Blaise Pascal. When the fluid is in a calm state, it exerts a force perpendicular to its entire contact surface. For example, we review that the water that is in the glass. Each part of the water exerts a force with a direction perpendicular to the glass wall. So, each piece of water exerts a force perpendicular to each unit area of the container it occupies. This is one of the important properties of static fluid. A fluid that area at rest when the fluid exerts an action force on the surface, where the direction of the force is not perpendicular. The surface will give a reaction force whose direction is also not perpendicular. This will cause the fluid to flow, but in reality, fluida remain silent. So, in conclusion, in a stationary fluid, the direction of force is always perpendicular to the surface of the container it occupies. Another important property of stationary fluids is that they always apply pressure in all directions. To better understand this explanation, put an object that can float into a water-tight container. If the water is very calm, then the object you entered earlier does not move because on the entire surface of the object was the same pressure. If the water pressure is not equal, then there will be a total force, which will cause the object to move. Pressure type 1. Atmospheric pressure. A measure based on the height of the column of liquid that can be held above it with a barometer. Example of atmospheric pressure at sea level under normal condition equal 76 cmHg equal 14.7 psi equal 1033 gram. Water column equal 10.33 meter water column. 2. Absolute pressure. The measure pressure is above absolute zero, so a negative value is unlikely happen. 3. Relative pressure. Rate pressure. Pressure measure again atmospheric pressure or using a device. Measure the pressure force, so this pressure can be greater or smaller rather than atmospheric pressure. Hydrostatic pressure. The most common quantity in fluid is hydrostatic pressure. This pressure describes the pressure received by an object while in the fluid. Because to calculate hydrostatic pressure, it is necessary to add a formula. The hydrostatic pressure formula is P equal rho G times heat. Example: a vessel filled with water 108 cm high. If the acceleration of gravity is 10 meters per second, then the amount of hydrostatic pressure at the bottom of the vessel is a discussion. Noun. Raw water equal 1000 kg per meter. G equal 10 meter per second. H equal 100 cm equal 1 meter. As pH. Answer: pH equal rho times G times H. pH equal 1000 times 10 times 1 equal 10 to the 4 power Newton per meter square. Okay, thanks all the explanation I can give. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.